What's up, folks? Today I want to show you how to download and install WinRAR on your Windows 11 PC. And if that sounds useful, go ahead and subscribe. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our browser and go to Google, type in WinRAR download. Go ahead and go to this first one right here, winrar.com. Click on that. It's going to download the one you need right up here at the very top. Click that. Give it a second right up here. What you're going to do once it's done downloading is you're going to click this little folder and it's going to pop up like this, and you're going to double click on the application. This little tab will pop up. Pick the language you want, hit next. I recommend just doing easy setup for stuff like this. Hit next. Definitely read all of that, and then accept the terms and hit next. And then give it a second. And then you can choose to have it start right away, create a shortcut for you on your desktop, or create a shortcut on your start menu. And then just hit finish. And bam, there you go. That's how you do it, folks. If that was helpful, make sure to like and leave a comment. Thanks so much.